The iPhone's touchscreen is an integral part of the device, allowing users to interact with their phone in a natural and intuitive way. However, one common issue that users may encounter is ghost touch, which occurs when the touchscreen registers unintended touches or movements. In this video, we will show you what you need to do to fix the ghost touches on an iPhone 14 Pro. First solution, clean your screen. Having a clean screen is important to fix ghost touches because dirt and oil on the screen can interfere with touch sensitivity and cause false touches, also known as ghost touches. By regularly cleaning your screen, you can help ensure that the touch sensors on your device are working properly and reduce the occurrence of ghost touches. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to wipe the screen gently and make sure not to scratch the screen during the process. After that, try to see if the ghost touches are gone, because if not, then try the next solution. Second solution, force restart your iPhone. Force restarting your iPhone is important because it can help to resolve software-related issues that may be causing problems with your device. This can include issues with the touchscreen, apps freezing or crashing, or general performance issues. By force restarting your iPhone, you can refresh the memory and reload all services, potentially fixing the problem without the need for more extensive troubleshooting. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then do the same for the volume down button. Immediately after releasing the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Third solution, check for firmware updates. Updating the software is important because it can help improve the performance and security of your iPhone. Each update typically includes bug fixes, security patches, and new features, which can enhance your user experience and protect your device from security threats. Additionally, updating to the latest version of iOS can help to resolve issues that may be causing problems with your device, such as touchscreen issues or app crashes. Just launch Settings, select General, and head to Software Update. If there's one available, take time to download and install it. Fourth solution, factory reset your iPhone. Factory resetting your iPhone is important because it erases all the data and settings on your device and restores it to its original state, potentially resolving persistent software-related issues. However, it should only be done as a last resort and after backing up any important files, as it will result in the loss of all data on the device. To factory reset your device, open the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings, and then follow a couple of on-screen instructions to proceed with the reset. The reset might take several minutes to complete, but after that, the problem should already be fixed. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.